Yeah, y'all, it is an extremely late start to this last day of spring break. You know, we flew in from Texas late last night and sitting up at about 2 in the morning wondering what the heck we're gonna eat today. So the only logical solution is to grab some groceries. And yeah, we're gonna see. We got some barbecue or smoked beef ribs sandwiches. Yeah, let's see how this turns out. Check it out. All right, y'all, technical difficulties. I was taking still shots while I was doing this. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown. Okay, took the beef ribs, pulled off the membrane on the back, and then did my little scoring, little trick we learned at Texas Roadhouse. You do 3 lines long ways, and then you score some X's, and then that gives you more surface area for the seasoning to go in. The rub I threw on here, because they are beef ribs, is from the HEB. Some salt-free brisket rub. That's going on there. And now this will sit until the fire's ready. My bad, y'all. My bad. All right, y'all. Smoker is up to temp. Throwing these ribs in here. Bone side down. Let these things smoke out. We got apple wood going for the smoke. Let these things go at it. All right, y'all, so these things are smoking up nice. For the last part of the cook, we are gonna wrap these up. Sucks in the wind. Now, when you're doing a brisket, you want to use a butcher paper or a parchment paper. But since these are going in sandwiches, I don't mind that I'm going to lose some of that crust. And you know, that's the whole purpose behind using the butcher paper, because it allows the moisture to breathe out versus foil that traps it in. Second half of this cook, it's gonna go in the foil. Whoops! Our bad. That's not how it's supposed to sound. Sandwich for the bread. We got some roasted garlic from out on the grill. Whew, hot. Mixed with some room temperature butter. Got that garlic butter. Now we'll just scoop it into some sliced Puerto Rican bread. Now it goes on the grill to toast. Topping on the sandwich will be some tricolor vinaigrette balsamic coleslaw. everything's about done. Got toasted Puerto Rican bread. Came out real nice. Roasted garlic butter. Got the smoked beef ribs. Balsamic coleslaw, and then some steak fries. Those things came out real good too. So how do we do this? Yeah, and that's it. The smoked beef rib sandwich, something or other. Kind of made up as I went, but let's see. No promises. Well, I'm on to something here. Pretty good with the steak fries, seasoned with the Everglades. Pretty good. But all the different textures, crust on the bread, the vinaigrette and the coleslaw, the Gouda cheese, and then of course the smoked ribs, everything just blended together real good. I'm gonna go finish eating this. Y'all subscribe, come back for the other videos. Peace.